guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your walk in a Trust and Press game of Roblox. Okay, this is my walk right now and I'm going to change it, guys. If you want to change your walk, you can simply click on this post menu and you need to click on this arrow and it will bring you to the walk packs menu. And here you can equip the walk that you want to apply to your avatar. Now I'm using the fresh walk, and I'm going to change my walk to the ice skating walk. This is the walk I got from the winter update in Dress and Press, and I'm going to start walking, and this is how the ice skating walks looks like. And you can also change the idle. Okay, this is the idle for the ice skating pack, but I'm just going to equip the walk. If you want to try another walk, you're going to select it right here. This is the phrasing walk. And if you want to unequip the walk, just click on the walk. Okay, guys, and that's how you can change your walk in Trust and Press game of Roblox. I hope this video